Welcome everyone and thank you for tuning in. You are now listening to Human Animal Podcast, where the goal is to discuss thought-provoking topics through genuine conversations about any and everything you can possibly think of. Featuring Roman D8, NEFU, Jose Rodriguez Jr., and Aaron De Milagrosa.
If we ready, we ready.
Top 5 dead or alive.
Your top 5 dead or alive. It's all personal preference right here. Our top 5, I would
What y'all think?
Throw in whatever y'all want.
top 5.
Comedians, movies.
Ooh, top 5 comedians?
Comedians.
Now that we're on the level.
We just parlay right over with it.
Probably people are gonna say similar, you know.
I'd say number 1. I'm a big Jim Carrey fan.
But more so like back in the day.
Richard Pryor, funny as hell.
Yeah. I mean, if you're gonna go there, the GOATs of all time, then you gotta put
Eddie
like Murphy. You know, Eddie Murphy kicked off a lot of stuff. You know,
I used to like Adam Sandler until he did a couple of recent movies. I'm into.
So
But
it could be,
but comedy, he's one of the funniest. I say that's close to my top 3.
yeah, then, I mean, it's gonna be.
And I like that Chinese dude Joe.
Joe King Joe, I think it. Or am I making that up?
Joe Coy.
Let me redeem myself. Joe Coy, young.
It's not Joakim Noah, that's a Bulls player.
Let's rewind.
Right.
All day with it.
But yeah,
So far,
I
you
mean,
got
you
Joe
know,
Coy.
George Lopez.
George Lopez, but what's Fluffy? I like Fluffy a lot. Fluffy's funny.
I forgot his name.
The fat guy.
Yeah, I know.
Fluffy. Gabriel.
Yeah, Gabriel.
Something.
Some Spanish name.
Fluffy, we call him Fluffy, man. We cake with him.
I like Cedric too. I like him more than Steve Harvey. I don't like Steve Harvey.
Yeah, I don't like Steve Harvey. As a comedian, no. I like Steve Harvey in certain situations, like he does good on Family. What's that? Family Feud.
Yeah.
Even that.
Yeah. Okay. And they got the game show and stuff.
But his stand up, that won't go to his stand up.
When he used to be on the radio, he was funnier because we used to be young and we thought it was funny on GCI or you know what I mean. Back in the day, every morning.
I got 5.
Waking up to him.
Top 5.
And no in particular order either.
What you got?
Richard Pryor. I'm thinking stand up, right?
Okay.
Richard Pryor.
I was thinking both movies and stand up on my list.
Eddie Murphy.
Oh yeah, I love Eddie.
Yeah, see, everybody
Chappelle.
Yeah.
George Carl.
George Carlin.
Yeah,
George Carlin, bro.
And
That he had a lot of shit.
Oh yeah.
I like that white guy that talks kind of like this. You know what I mean?
Words, religion.
What's that white guy's name that talks like that? That talks like kind of like this. You know what I'm talking about?
George Carlin.
and then John Leguizamo.
Oh yeah. Hey, that last one he did was real good too, though. The Puerto Rico
He talked a
one.
lot of facts.
Yeah. It was historic. It was history and it was comedy at the same time.
It was more like informational.
Yeah.
More than,
It was good.
And he was dropping comedy in between the truth.
Yeah.
If you go way back, I like Jerry Lewis. Jerry Lewis was funny as hell.
Jerry Lewis, I don't know.
Nah, you never.
But you know who I like? The fat dude. They never get any respect.
Oh, Rodney.
Hey, Rodney Dangerfield, you know? It's fire in here. It's a fire, I tell you.
Yeah, because he had them like one-liners and stuff.
Yeah, he was good.
He'd be like, I told the girl, she said, come over, nobody's home. I went over, nobody was home. You know, he's like jokes like that. You know?
That was a good one, too.
Then it was remember Andrew Dice Clay? He'll say some knick-knack, paddywhack.
Dickory duck, Mike. What's on, Mike? Get over here.
His was just more, you know, outlandish shit, but it wasn't as fire, funny, you know, it was just his whole
Yeah.
persona. I remember he was on Different Strokes. And he was the bully, he was bullying Willis.
He was bullying Willis?
Yeah, he was bullying Willis. Willis was in high school,
Oh, so
I remember that.
They about the same age?
No, and that's
Or
like
he was just
he was
in
20 years
college.
old in high school and shit, you know, but it was sitcom, so, you know, they put...
I got a name. Probably nobody would say, but she's good. Amy Schumacher, or Schumacher.
Amy Schumer?
Amy Schumer or
Yeah,
Schumacher?
you're right. Yeah.
Is this on one of those, man?
Something with shoe in it, something, Amy Shoe.
She's funny as
Yeah,
hell.
no, Amy Shoe, man.
Patrice O'Neal? What y'all think about my man?
Patrice O'Neal. Ain't he dead?
Yeah, he passed away.
That dude stand up is hilarious
He's a
too.
beast.
Like,
Nah.
Yeah.
Check him out. Look him up. Alive.
I
He
found
started
him
off
late.
with Kevin Hart. Yeah.
I found out about
After
him
he
late
passed?
after he passed.
Oh, see, yeah, that boy's a wild boy. He was doing radio, and I forget the radio host, but he was, you know, Patrice. He's
Yes.
if nobody's ever seen him, check him out. I give you 5 minutes.
I gotta
5
check him out.
minutes.
I probably know who it is, but I don't know the name, but I probably know
Put
the
him like,
face.
Oh man, who's that Italian guy that?
butcher none of his.
There's this one Italian guy. He's real funny, man. He's small, skinny. He got like he's always wearing dress shirts and stuff. And, man, babe, you know what the name of his?
We need outside.
Huh?
I wasn't paying attention.
The Italian comedian.
Bob Saget.
Bob Saget.
Bob Saget was low key funny though, especially on
He was suspect.
but America's Funniest Home Video, he made like comments that were like dad jokes, but they made you laugh because you were watching the show at the same time, and then he was giving like the airplay or whoops or whatever, you know, and then
I didn't know
he was
whether to
going,
laugh or feel disturbed with some of the comments he was making.
Yeah, he's a wild boy.
It was disturbing when he was
wild boy.
Also with Kimmy Gibbler involved and the Olsens. Like, man, he'll go in on them. Like, I don't know, buddy. And now, you know, I don't know, suspect of, you know, family died and stuff. You know who fell off on the stand-up? I think Martin Lawrence, though, because
He just dropped, or he just did one.
like one of the last ones.
I like the run till that. That one was funny.
It wasn't that.
I forgot about Martin. Yeah, he's up there too in my Mount Rushmore.
Yeah.
He's up
He
there.
did Def Comedy. He was dope in the Def Comedy Jam days.
Oh yeah, he had to host. He was so dope.
Yeah. He had a couple stand-ups that were
That's
dope.
when everybody
And
was
like,
coming
last
out.
one or two, I was like,
Jamie's funny too. Jamie Foxx is
Foxx,
funny.
yeah. He don't do that. He don't like that.
What about Will Smith? You think he lost his career when he stepped the fuck out of Chris Rock?
She killed the whole podcast. Start it over. No, I just
There we go. There we go. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot that we're omitting right now, because off the top we're just coming up with them. Because man, there's so many old school ones that just I can't even think of right now. But I'm sure if we go back into the 80s and 70s, your moms, your pops, and put you up on game with these people. Like old boy that did see now it's gonna escape me right now, but he did a movie with the kids, Baby Kids. Harrison.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about. The dude, Follow the Drip.
Woody Harrelson?
He was
Not
on
Woody
House
Harrelson.
Party. He was on House Party.
He was a house party. Yeah, he was the father of kid. Yeah, he's Chicago cat too. Bernie Mac. We didn't even give Bernie his credits. You know, it's
Bernie,
just doing
yeah,
stuff.
Bernie.
You know.
yeah.
There's a lot. We'll come back to that. That boy doing his thing. That boy what's his name?
Roman the A, nephew Uli, Jose Rodriguez Jr.
And Aaron Demilagrosa.
I just wish we could chat longer.
Love you, everyone out there.
Hope you're ready for the next episode.
Human Animal Podcast, everyone.